yourself and sit down.
Oh, hi. How are you doing?
Watching these tomatoes. They won't care.
Hey, what's up, Loxton here, and a little late, but day 2 for this build. It's not day 2, it's like 4 days later. But I cleaned this thing out, and I don't know if you can see there, but there's rings in there. So I don't know how long this is gonna last, but we're gonna weld it up anyways. And then we gotta fix the angle of this. I hope to get this done today in this build. So let's get to work. So it's a nice day out here, but I don't want to get anything on my nice shirt, so I'm going to wear my motorcycle jacket as a welding jacket. Not really care. Hopefully this is going to work. I'm going to go ahead and set it on high to get things done. So this is what I'm gonna be welding in. This should be fine. I just go like this. This should touch this, which should touch that. Move that boy on. Max. Alright. So I'm not a fan of where my thumb's sitting because I got a big hole in my glove. So I don't like what I got going on. Whew. Alright, so one little side here, where is it at? Right here looks a little lower than the rest. So before I fully weld that in there, yeah, I like that. That looks really good right there. I think it looks good. I'm just gonna roll with it. Okay, now that's scalding freaking hot. Can't see anything. I wish I had that spray, you know. I mean, you know, I'm not a professional welder by any means. It's hot. So does anybody actually get the urge to help people when they see somebody struggling with something? I do. There's this kid down the road here. He's got a little motorbike and he just can't get it running. Way down there, right about there. He'll get it. I like to help people make theirs run. So now I just gotta let this piece cool and I'll see y'all in a second. Alright, so I'm back inside and I wish I had some good welding gloves. I have another pair somewhere and I just don't know where they're at. They're like some small handheld ones, but I'm gonna take the file, clean up a little bit of edges. Can't hold on to it with this. Just a couple little tacks around the edges. Oh, that's weird. Did the heat really make this shrink? Okay, so this fit beforehand, and now I can't get it down. So, looking into things, I'm definitely going to have to take more off here because it is hitting. So, right here, you see the notch, I got to take that out. Okay, that might not be good. So, I might have messed it up. Right there's a hole. I think that's just chain lube hole. I'm hoping, but that's what I needed to do out here. Man, it's easy. So I got it all done here and cleaned all that up. I ended up cutting this back side here and re-welding it right here. Alright, so that's it for today's episode. Just a little bit of welding and putting it back on a bike. I ran out of space, so I already put the bike away. It's a little bit offset, did it all by eye, but I think it'll be okay. Loxing out. Catch me next episode.